How do I start a conversation with someone on Telegram?
Hello, Telegram users. We know it can be a bit intimidating to start a conversation with someone on a new platform. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to discuss how to start a conversation with someone on Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident reaching out to new people or continuing conversations with existing contacts.
Getting started with Telegram.
Before you can start a conversation, you'll need to make sure that you have Telegram installed on your device. Whether you're using a phone or a computer, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account using your phone number.
Finding contacts on Telegram.
After you've got your account set up, the next step is to find someone to chat with. If you already have the person's phone number saved in your device's contacts and they use Telegram, they should automatically appear in your Telegram contacts list. If you don't have the person's number, you can also search for them by their Telegram username. To do this, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top of the app, then type in their username.
Starting a conversation.
Once you've found the person you want to chat with, it's time to start a conversation. Tap on the person's name to open a chat window. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a text box that says, "Type a message." Simply type your message here, then hit the Send button. You've just started a conversation on Telegram. It's that simple.
Initiating group conversations.
Want to chat with more than one person? You can create a group conversation. Go to the main menu, tap on the New Group button, then select the contacts you want to include in the group. Type in a name for the group, then tap Create. Now you can start chatting with the whole group by typing a message in the group's chat window. And that's it. You now know how to start a conversation with someone on Telegram. Don't forget, it's just as important to maintain your conversations as it is to start them. So keep your chats engaging, respectful, and fun. Happy chatting!